Uncalled for.
Nice staff. Had a friend ask.
Well, it looks like this.
Greetings.
Stupid.
Same.
I'm taking care of you.
Stupid.
Taking care
No, 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 no.
Open that door.
I could use
Open.
Jesus. It's like some The Shining shit. Oh, well. Yeah? Was that a reaction to what happened to me?